my journey is still long to go, here's some exercises I use to get better from my beginner level to a little higher in beginner level. The first exercise is circles. Just endless drawing of circles. Drawing circles can help you improve your portraiture because circles are the basis for any head and eyes. The exercise is simple. Fill a page with circles of all sizes and as close to a circular shape as possible. You'll see how this will drastically change your art and structure basis. As you can see from my file, every single head and the view of it is built from a circle, 3/4, front view, side view, all of it. It took a lot of practice to get good reference structures that I base my work off of. Exercise 2 I'm calling lines. Drawing lines gives you line confidence in order to better your work and have clean art. Here's a demonstration of how this also affects your structure. Good lines means good structure and clean art. You will be less afraid to draw in general if you develop line confidence. These are my old structure studies, and due to bad circles, lack of understanding, and bad lines, they looked as shitty as they did. Lastly, coordination. The last exercise helps with good hand-eye coordination, a skill needed in art and to better your portraiture.
Ever since the day that you went away,